Welcome to LLB Telecom. This is Miss Janeline Soyaco. How can I help you?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm calling concerning about my phone bills.
May I have your account number, please?
It's 205-7655.
I will repeat it, ma'am. 205-7655. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, you're right, ma'am.
Thank you. Is this Miss Mendoza?
Yes, this is Miss Mendoza.
Thank you. What can I help you with?
I think we overcharged for the last month.
Why do you think we charge you too much?
Because that bill of the current month is higher than the bill of the last month.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let me ask you questions. How do you usually pay for your phone bill?
I usually pay about 300 pesos per month.
Thank you. And how much did we charge on this bill?
10 pesos. I can't understand why.
Yes, Miss Mendoza. Was your usage different in any way?
No, it was an average month.
I'm sorry. There certainly seems to be a mistake.
That's okay, ma'am. I'm happy you agree with me.
I'll contact a service representative to come out and check your balance. Anyway, what is your address, Miss Mendoza?
My address is number 91, Capihan, San Rafael, Bulacan.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 981-7601.
I will repeat it, ma'am. 981-7601. Is this correct?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm terribly sorry about the misunderstandings. Well, do our best to change this as quickly as possible.
Thank you for your help, ma'am, in clearing this up.